Hi guys, now I'll show you how to do the programming for the Loghome LH600. So first, we need to open the battery covers. You will see the register button on the back. So just press the button. Okay. To register your fingerprint, you just slide the cover, scan your fingers for 3 times. Okay, your fingerprint is registered now. To continue, you can scan your fingerprints, another fingerprints, or you can press start to complete. To register the RFID card for the Loghome LH600, first we need to press the register button on the back. Okay. Then we just tap our card. Okay, now it's already registered. So you can press start button to complete. To setting the password for the Loghome LH600, first we need to press the register button. Okay, now you key in your password now. Let's say key in 1234, then press start to complete. That's all. Okay, so how we use our digital lock. First, you can use your fingerprints. Just scan to unlock. Yeah, very easy. You open your door now. And we can use the RFID card also. Just tap, you can unlock. Or you also can using the password we setting just now, 1234. Then press start to complete. Okay, this is the emergency keyhole. In case of battery, you can use your key to unlock from here.